Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are doing good. My today's review session is for the students of lower secondary 1, 2, 3 and O1. In our today's class, students have been explained about Syria Khola, which is another late Stone Age community. Previously, we have discussed about Potwar Plateau, which is in northern Punjab, and Potwar Plateau is also the earliest site of Stone Age people. And now Syria Khola, which is near Taxila, it has also revealed an other late Stone Age community which produced highly burnished pottery. Burnished pottery means polished pots and stone implements. Their houses were made up of mud walls with stone foundation. Obviously, people of Stone Age used to live in the houses which were made up of mud and stone blocks. A similar evolution was taking place in Balochistan at the same period, and recent discoveries at the site of Mehergarh have put Balochistan on world's archaeological map. Previously, Balochistan was not there on world's archaeological map, but just because of the artifacts being discovered, which date back to tens of thousands years ago, so that's how Balochistan came on the world's archaeological map. After some time, Baloch discovered Quetta Valley. We all know that Quetta is in Balochistan, so Baloch discovers Quetta Valley, and the people over there, they started to live in some small villages, and they started their agriculture activities over there as well. Now after that, students have been explained about Kot Diji, that what is Kot Diji. Around 4000 BC, people who used to live in village communities, now they started moving into the fertile plains of Sindh and lower Punjab, and they developed urban culture over there. What is urban culture? Urban means citizenship. Okay, so they developed urban culture over there because previously they used to be villagers, because they used to live in villages, but now after some time they developed their urban culture in fertile plains of Sindh and lower Punjab. So they named their culture as Kot Diji civilization. But why they named this Kot Diji civilization? Because they named Kot Diji was the district of Sindh, so that's why they named their culture as Kot Diji civilization. After that, people which migrated from village, they used to feel safe just because there were so many stone carvers, there were jewelers, bakers, weavers, metal workers who used to live outside the city walls and were exposed to the dangers of external attack. So the people who were living inside the city, they used to feel very much safe. After that, students have been described about Amri. Now what is Amri? It is also one ancient culture similar like Kot Diji. It has been discovered at Amri, one ancient culture, and it was located on the south of River Indus. Although the houses themselves have not survived in that area, but the bases of the houses are still there, and the bases of the houses have shown that the development of homes were built with stone blocks. The Amri culture in Sindh has some common features with sites in central and southern Balochistan. And students have been given two questions. One is write a short note on Kot Diji and Amri, and the second is write a short note on earliest settlements of Pakistan. So this was all from our today's session. Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz.